Yeah, the Teta language, the HIV positive, that diagnosed in 1996. Community siphethe kakuthina abantu ba HIV positive. Enye into efuna ichaphazela. Ngenye imini bendiye nasikeni Crossroad Day Hospital. Ndise irash. Yafika pha bisaqala ke rash ke. Ndababonisa ukuba ndiphansi sisiba ugqirha sithi mandifeze ikhadi lokuba ndiphansi kwenansi kwi-trials ze-TB. Ndababonisa abazinto. Ndabachazela ukuba ndi-HIV positive by the hospital. Kathiwa loo nto leyo kaze uphinde uyithethe. Usukela namhlanje asosakwaselethi wahlala nabantu kakhulu. Nekube wedwa uhlalele wedwa endaweni. Andize kwezi nasika company senza amayeza amachiza. Ikhampani enjengoFazer. Sayazi uFazer benza iprofit eninzi ngo-99 benze 6.5 billion rands. Besicela nakubo ke ukuthi la mayeza makathotywe. Thina abantu ba-HIV singabona abantu abasuffer the rest ngoba abanye abantu abayifilishi le pain yabona. Into abayenzekayo benza iprofit yabona.
Tula mama tula, tula mama tula, tula mama tula, tata bamtata bambeka ekaya.
Christopher Morake died on the 27th July this year. His funeral took place at Inyanga on the 6th August. Those present vowed to remember him for his courageous spirit in the fight against HIV and AIDS.
Tula mama tula, tula mama tula, tula mama tula, tula mama tula.
Sithe Chris befana okanye ebensika kuthi ku-branch okanye kwisebe lasenyanga lombutho i-treatment action campaign ngoba endleleni kwizinto ezininzi Chris besomeleza.
We went to visit Chris and his partner Nontsikelelo a few weeks before his death.
Uzizwa njani khona manje kuChris? Kubuhlungu kuphi? Kwenzakalani emzimbeni wakho?
At the time of our visit, he could not really say much and was in need of medication for treating oral thrush.
Tula mama tula, tula mama tula, tula mama tula, tata bamtata bambeka ekaya, wasuka wakhala wathi ingulaza. Tula mama tula.
Had Christopher had access to better HIV medication and treatment, he may have lived. Lala kahle Qhawe.